Hello everyone, welcome back to Triumph Trust FX channel. In case you are joining us for the first time, please do well to subscribe to this channel and click on the notification bell for you to be alerted anytime we have a new video uploaded in this channel. Right, I'll first of all thank everyone for your support so far, for your likes, your comment and your subscription. Let's keep this subscription coming. Share this group, invite people to this share this channel, invite people to this channel so that they can also get the benefit you are getting as well. There is a link attached to this video. That is the link to my free Telegram group channel group. Feel free to join the group, and there we'll post most of our setups, and we also have a mentorship group where we'll post all of our setup that we trade every week. So feel free to contact me. My contact is on the description of the video below, and when you join my free Telegram group you can also contact me there. Right, okay, before we look at the analysis and review for the week, next week, which is starting from Monday 29th of November through 3rd of December 2021, I would like us to review what we talked about last week and some of the trades we took this week. Right, so last week when we were discussing during the weekly analysis, we talked about AUD/USD, expecting the price will gradually come back to retest this zone, then we sell, but price didn't go back. Instead, as price pushed up, it dropped and closed below this level, and even when it tried to continue up, it dropped from here and continued downward, so price didn't get to our entry. Right, so today we had this setup CAD CHF, and we use this trend line to take this trade. We saw that the trend line price hit it the first time here, the second time here, and the third time here, and on the 15 minutes time we observed that price took out liquidity with this impulsive move and dropped below it, so we had a setup to sell here, and this gave us this, right, CAD CHF. So at the end of the day we were able to have this massive profit in CAD CHF. And on EuroCAD, within the week we had a setup. I posted it on the general group, but what happened was price break below this low, and I've also told us that anytime price break below the previously current low while we are waiting for price to go for a retest, that setup is no longer valid. So this setup was no longer valid because price dropped below the previous low, where we're expecting that price will continue from to go and give a retest of this order block for us to sell. Right, then this another setup that happened today on Euro USD. So we saw this trend line, price respected this trend line from here, this point, second point, third point, and the fourth point here. So we'll mark out this zone for us to take our entry after we notice that price took out liquidity here and pushed back immediately, and this was the result for today. Euro USD, it gave us this push to the upside in massive profit. Then we also have GBPCHF. On GBPCHF we're expecting the price to gradually move away from this point to retest this zone after we saw this impulsive move and after price took out liquidity at this point, and this was the result. Price actually got there, triggered our entry and dropped. Then we also have GBPJPY. We're expecting the price will get to this point before it will drop, but price didn't actually get there, but it got to this round number, which is 154.200. Some of us were able to enter this trade and make some profits from it. Then this was it. After a while, price pulled back, drop, and finally give this massive drop and today it gave another set of drop. So that was for GBPJPY. GBPUSD, we're also expecting the price will go back here, retest, and will sell, but price didn't get back to that zone. Rather, it returned from here and pushed back, taking on this low. So this setup was no longer valid, right? So those are some of the trade we took this week. So from Monday 29th till Friday 3rd of December, that is Monday 29th of November to Friday 3rd of December, we are going to be looking at this. So as I've said before, this is not a general forex analysis. This analysis is just based on our strategy, the strategy we took, we used to trade in TTFX, right? So we have seen that price drop to create this low and gradually pull back up, drop here and took out liquidity, then price pushed down immediately. So this is on the 4-hour time frame, called CHF. So we're expecting that price will gradually go back, move back from that point to come and retest this zone. If price move to this level, we are going to take a sell from here, right? So if it doesn't, then we allow it to go. That is for the 4-hour time frame. On the 1-hour time frame, we are going to be looking at GBPUSD. So we saw that this is an order block, daily order block, or daily supply zone. So we saw price forcefully push away from it. We're expecting price as I explained on the setup we posted in the week, price didn't get to the entry before moving down and finally moved down to this level. So we're also expecting that if price will come back to this zone, we're going to look for a reversal pattern. If the pattern comes up, we're going to take a sell from this zone, right? So on the 15 minutes time frame, we are also going to be looking at some setup. So the 15 minutes time frame, we are going to be looking at NZDCAD. So we see that there were a lot of consolidation here and price pushed away to the top upside. So we also hope that price will gradually come back to this zone. If price gets back to this zone, we are going to look for a reversal pattern to take an entry from here. Most of this setup as they come up, will be posting it into the general Telegram group, and others will be posted on the mentorship group, right? So for NZDCAD, we expect that if price gets back to this level and gives a reversal pattern, then we're going to take an entry from here. Then we're also going to be looking at Euro CHF. So Euro CHF, we see this daily order block or daily supply zone, price pushed away from it. So we're also expecting that price will gradually move back to it, and when price get to it, we'll look for a reversal pattern. If the pattern comes up, then we're also going to take our entry on Euro CHF. So these are the potential setups that have presented themselves, as we watch out for them next week, as from on Monday, right? So that is what we have. If other setup comes up as we enter the week, we are going to be posting them. I've been a little busy with something else, so I've not been fully on the market, but hopefully this week, towards the end of this week, I'll be fully on the market. Then we'll see what we're going to gain for the market. Thank you for watching, and I wish you all the best. God bless you, and I wish you a December full of so many pips and profits.